Giggles and Grapes.
Hello, juniors! Today's episode is all about transport. Transport or transportation mean the way to move from one place to another. The different modes of transport include air, water, and land transport. But today, we are going to learn about land transportation. Come on, let's go, before we get stuck in traffic. This is a bicycle. It is used to travel short distance. Riding a bicycle is good for health. It uses minimal fossil fuels and is a pollution-free mode of transport. A motorcycle. Motorcycles offer several advantages, including easier parking, lower environmental impact, and a strong social community of riders. But they also have practical limitations, like limited storage and exposure to weather. A car. Traveling by car can be a fantastic way to explore the world, offering freedom, flexibility, and convenience. However, it also comes with its share of disadvantages such as cost, traffic, and environmental concerns. This is a sports car. It's super fast. Speeding is dangerous unless it's a sports car and a professional driving it on the racetrack.
Taxi.
This is a taxi, often used by locals and tourists to explore the city. A taxi provides easy and comfortable travel experience. An auto rickshaw. This is cheaper than the taxi, and no doors allow the traveler to have a great view outside. This is a dump truck. These trucks help sites effectively create a clear workspace, but as they are huge, a tight, narrow space becomes a huge challenge for them. A crane truck. Cranes trucks make loading and unloading convenient and highly efficient. This is a bulldozer. It is a powerful and heavy machine and categorized as industrial transport used for moving earth, rocks, or debris. A tractor is a strong work vehicle used for farming. It usually has a seat for only the driver and can be used to pull many different tools or trailers. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is a type of vehicle made to carry sick or injured people. Normally, ambulances go to people in emergencies to take people to hospital. This is a bus. A bus is a large-wheeled vehicle meant to carry many different persons along with the driver. It is cheap. By using buses rather than private cars, we can reduce the amount of traffic on the roads. This is a double-decker bus, usually used for sightseeing now. A double-decker bus or double-deck bus is a bus that has 2 stories or decks. They can carry up to 120 people. This is a railway train. In a railroad, a train travels along a path of 2 metal rails or tracks. Whereas a tram like this is a conveyance that transports passengers or freight in carriers suspended from cables and supported by a series of towers. They are capable of running on streets but also be permitted operation alongside mainline trains. This is a subway. It is an underground passenger train or rail system in a large city. It is powered by electricity. No matter what, a train has huge capacity to carry passengers as well as cargo. The fastest of all these trains is the bullet train. This is a van. A usually enclosed wagon or motor truck used for transportation of goods or animals. Did you know that van is a short form of caravan, which means a vehicle equipped for living in, typically towed by a car and used for holidays. This is a fire truck. It is a vehicle carrying firefighters and equipment for fighting large fires. It is also called as a fire engine. This is a horse cart. People also use donkeys instead of horses. It was an old way of transporting goods and people from one place to another. Some people in the villages still use this way of transport.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.